Welcome to Salt Travel Co. Today we are going to show you how to make a traditional Costa Rican dish called picadillo using green papaya. Picadillo comes from the word picar. As you will see, there's going to be a lot of chopping, some sauteing and combining, and then you're ready to go. This is a popular dish in many Latin American countries, and each place does it a little differently, so have fun with this recipe and make it your own. For this Tico classic, you'll need you can order salsa Lozano online. Achote paste should be available in the spice section. You can substitute out the seasoning packet for your choice of spices. We recommend onion and garlic powder, cumin, and coriander. It's an easy recipe. We are using green papaya, but you can also use potatoes, peeled and boiled until still firm. If you can't find the green papaya at your local grocery store or don't have a tree at home, try the Asian markets. To start by filling a large saucepan about halfway full with water. For the papaya, begin by cutting off the top and the bottom. Then give it a good wash. You're going to want to peel off the outer skin, removing any tough spots. Now that you have all of the skin removed, you're going to give it another wash. The milky substance from the papaya can stain and sting, another use of the word picar. So we want to get it all off of the papaya. Now cutting the papaya in half, you are going to then want to scrape out all of the seeds, chop it into slices, and give it another good cleaning. You're ready to throw it in the pot. Set the flame to high, cover with a tight-fitting lid, and let it boil for about an hour. You can also prepare your meat of choice at this time. We boiled a pork loin. You can also saute up some ground beef or your choice of fish, or leave it vegetarian. Then kick up your feet and relax for a little while. Back to the kitchen. Let's drain the hot water off of the papaya and set aside to cool while you chop the other ingredients. You will see the consistency of the papaya is now soft but yet still firm. You want to chop everything very finely. Here we are adding a special kind of cilantro that grows in Costa Rica called cilantro coyote. You can add fresh cilantro as well, but you'll want to wait to add the fresh cilantro until after it's done cooking. We then chopped up the pork into tiny pieces. And now it's time to get to chopping the cooked and cooled soft green papaya. Since one large papaya provides a lot to chop, you can do it in batches. Make sure that it is very, very, very finely chopped. It's time to saute up the ingredients. One by one, add in the onion bell pepper, the cilantro coyote if you have it, the meat, and the garlic to a large hot saucepan using a tablespoon or so of oil if you choose. Let that saute for about 2 minutes while gently stirring occasionally. Add in the chopped up green papaya and incorporate all ingredients well. Let the mixture cook together on medium-low heat for about 5 minutes while you add in the salt, Lozano, and seasonings. Add a little at a time. Give it a taste, and if you need to, add a little more. Picadillo is great served with hot tortillas. It makes a great snack as little tacos, or serve it as a meal with rice and salad and garnish with avocado. We hope you have enjoyed learning how to make a Costa Rican dish. We will have more local recipes in the future, including homemade tortillas, tamales, and gallo pinto, all straight from local recipes.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go.
Until next week, cheers and happy travels.
Oh, we are all